Hey, how's it going? It's Alex again, and today I want to show you the GoSports portable PVC frame cornhole game. This portable cornhole game is the perfect product to have for enjoying these summer days, whether you're in your patio or the beach with friends and family, since with own carry bag is super easy to transport. So I'm gonna get everything out right now, and once you have everything out of the carry-on bag, you're gonna see that you have the two cornhole games and 8 pouches to play the game. And you're gonna see that it's super easy and quick to install, so I'm gonna show you that right now. So once you're finished with the first one, just repeat the process. And I don't think you're gonna need them, but it comes with the instructions how to play the game, as well as the instructions on the assemble process, as well as the 8 pouches divided by 4 in one team and 4 in the other team. Actually, like 2 things about this: the vivid colors of both, like the vibrant blue and red, and also that it's actually pretty sturdy and it's kind of like super firm. So that's a really good plus. So let's do a quick demo now. Wish me luck. So again, I think this is a really good gift or product to have on this summer days to go to the beach and play with friends and family, or whether in your patio as well. But I think it's a pretty good choice, so I'm pretty happy with it. I do recommend it, and I hope you like my review, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.